I am extremely impressed. Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm gonna give you an overview of what is one of the coolest pieces of technology when it comes to in-home camera, two-way communication, video monitoring. I mean, this thing is legit. So this company right here, Zosi, reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview? Because I don't think people have a full appreciation for what we have developed here. But in no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Check this out. I am extremely impressed. I didn't even think this thing existed. This device here is a not one but two-way camera monitoring communication device. And what all comes with it. So you have this all-in-one device right here. It does come with a mount. It does come with mounting screws. This can be mounted flat. It can be mounted upside down. It connects all right here. It does come with a power cord here. It does come with a power brick right here. Now the length of this power cord is a little over 6 feet long. So if you're trying to get an idea of where you would mount this thing, that can kind of help. So this app connects to this, very simple. You just download the app. All instructions are extremely clear. This is one of the easiest devices I've ever tested and used where the app integration is very simple. It connects to the Wi-Fi, so it's easy to use from not being wherever you are. Here it does show the current time wherever you're located. It also gives you precipitation. It gives you the temperature, the date, all that stuff, just so if you wanted to have this somewhere where you could look over and kind of reference date, time, all that important stuff. It's all right there. Very cool. So some other very cool features are, there's a button right here. And when you press this button, then it connects to the phone. It will actually do a kind of like a phone call.
Camera calling family. Please wait.
So this now is ringing onto and through the app. And so let's just say there was somebody at the residence or wherever this is located and they didn't have a phone and they wanted to communicate with the person. Let's say it's a child and they wanted to get in touch with the app user, parent, let's just say. You can connect through this. You can also have it set up to where the camera will identify, let's just say a gesture like this. And so if I was holding this in front of the camera, let's just say like this.
Camera calling family. Please wait.
I didn't press the button, the device recognized this. So let's just say you had this mounted high up in the room somewhere, out of reach, you didn't want anybody to touch it. Whoever could just hold up, let's just say this in-camera view, the camera recognizes this gesture and will actually do a call. All right, another cool feature is from the app, you can communicate with whoever's in the room where this is located. You click the screen, it starts to activate and integrate, and you're probably gonna hear some feedback here. So if I go to this icon right here, I can either do a video intercom or voice intercom. The voice intercom will allow you to see each other. So it's like a two-way video voice calling, as you can see here. So I can see the camera here, on here, and vice versa. So if you were communicating between the two different people can see each other. So it's almost like FaceTime on a cell phone where the two different people can see each other. This person can see you, and this person with the app can see this person here. You also have the opportunity to just do audio and not have video as well. There's also some built-in what are called intelligent algorithms. And so here you have the motion detector feature right here. You can set this, and if somebody or something, an animal, whatever it is, however you want to fine-tune your motion detector, you can do that, and it will not only alert you via push notification or however you want to have it set up, it will record the video and save that video here. You can also upgrade to cloud storage. You can set human detection, intrusion detection, which would be basically anything that would come into view. If it was a situation where you knew somebody or something was supposed to be in camera view at all time and moving, you can set up a notification that lets you know that that has stopped. You can turn on or off the gesture notification. That's where I was doing this and it was doing a phone call. You can set up entry and exit notifications as well as loitering notifications. So a variety of different things you can do with this, from a security, a safety, notifications, just really know what's going on. That can all be viewed by this camera. What's really cool is that when this is set up, let's just say you want the person to hear a notification that becomes in view, that gets in view of the actual camera. You can set up a whole. What's also really cool is you can set up custom notifications that you can record up to 15 seconds. And if something goes in the view of your camera, it will ringtone and make it obvious to the person that is in view. Also, when you set it to human tracking, as you can see here, when I'm walking, the camera is following me. Notice how the camera is staying right on me, even though I'm moving. The camera right there is moving around. Very, very cool. Another cool feature is you can set up custom voice notifications to whoever's in the room when they come into camera view based on how you have it set up. So if it is anybody that enters the room or in the space of the camera, you can have it come in and do a prompt.
Caution, this area is dangerous. You have entered the surveillance area.
And you can customize this and you can actually record your own custom voice.
I see that you have entered the room where I have my camera. What are you doing here?
Very, very cool. And it will also send you a notification, and it will also record to your device a still image or a video. You also have full control over how the camera is going to move and where it's going to look. So if you're looking for a home security device, camera, two-way video or audio camera device that you can use maybe just to have like convenience. You know, maybe you have a young one at the house and you want to have the option to be able to interact with them this way, or it just really serves as almost like a phone, almost like a phone, where you can have communication going back and forth, or you just want to keep an eye. You just want to keep an eye on what's going on, where this camera is going to be visible. Hopefully, this answers all the questions you have, and we'll talk to you soon.